Once upon a time, in the bustling city of San Francisco, lived a curious little boy named Jack-Jack Parr. With superpowers so strange, he never knew what to expect. One night, he found himself restless, wide awake in his bed. Suddenly, a bright light appeared in his room. Shimmering and dancing, it seemed to call his name. Jack-Jack jumped out of his bed, his heart pounding with glee. He followed the light, his curiosity leading the way. He passed through the living room, past Mom and Dad's bedroom. The light led him to the kitchen, where something peculiar awaited. There, on the counter, sat a mysterious, glowing orb. It hummed softly, inviting Jack-Jack to touch it. Jack-Jack approached the orb, with a sense of wonder in his eyes. He reached out to touch it, but hesitated, filled with surprise. The orb spoke in a soft, soothing voice, "Fear not, for I mean no harm. I've been waiting for someone like you to discover my charm. I am a light orb," it said. "I can help those who are lost. Guide them through the dark, and lead them to their poster." Jack-Jack looked around, realizing how dark his house had grown. He felt a sense of purpose, a mission to help others he'd known. With the light orb in hand, Jack-Jack ventured forth to help his family and friends, to bring them light and rebirth. He returned to his bedroom, his heart full of joy and pride, ready to face the day, with the light orb by his side. That night, Jack-Jack learned a valuable lesson. That it's not the powers we have, but how we choose to use them. He went to bed with a smile, his dreams filled with light. Guided by the shining light, he'd found a new, wonderful sight. The end.